In this video, I'm going to show you how to find new Fantom Meme coins on Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, not first, you need to be logged in to your Dexscreener, right? Then I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click, you're going to look for the Fantom right here. So we're going to gradually take this here. So this is it. We're going to click on it. So I'm going to show you how you can find new Fantom Meme coins here on Dexscreener. Wait for this to load up. Once it has opened, what you're going to do now, you're going to click on this new page, right? Once you click on this new page, click on this newest. Once you have clicked on the newest, wait for it to load up, right? So you're going to click on the new page. Once you have clicked on the new page, you'll see the newly launched Fantom tokens here on your Dexscreener. If you find this very helpful, share it as well in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys in the very next one.